Hello again, everybody. Welcome to Breakaway C Box Breaks for the 2013-2014 Panini Totally Certified Box Break number 19. Here's the last name up for auction. There's Edmonton. So on the box is NA190873-813. That's NA190873-813. So here we go. Good luck, everybody. Rookie of Dougie Hamilton for the Bruins. A totally certified jersey of Jonas Hiller for the Ducks. A rookie of Richard Panik for the Lightning. Nice hit for the Sharks. It's an auto jersey rookie of Thomas Hertel. Rookie for Blackhawks of Joachim Nordstrom. Certified competitors of Nazem Kadri and Patrice Bergeron, randomized at the end between Leafs and Bruins. Red parallel, Anton Vermette for the Coyotes. Rookie for the Flyers of Ty McGinn. We have a rookie roll call for the Coyotes of Chris Brown. And then base to finish off the break. So it's got the one random. Let me get it set up. So between Toronto and Boston, randomize it 3 times. Here we go. 1, 2, and 3. So that card goes to Boston. Congrats to Boston. And thank you very much again, everybody, for watching. Hope to see you again next time.